Hello everyone. I know most of you might be using Google Chrome, Safari, or maybe Brave browser. But what if I tell you there's something more and advanced which can do all the tasks which you can do in the Brave browser, like blocking your ads and watching videos without distractions. But over that, there's a new browser called Comet by Perplexity, which is the world's first AI agentic browser, and it can literally work for you. It's an agent behind the browser and it can browse, automate your tasks, and there's so much more it can do. Well, I'll show just few simple use cases. And for that, let me just open a new tab. So this is Comet, by the way. It's a Chromium based browser and it is very simple and it looks exactly like Chrome. So there's an AI assistant here. And if I just open this, I'll take another tab. I'm gonna just give a sample prompt to open my Google Classroom and find if I have any pending assignments. So that's my task, and I'm not gonna do anything. So I'll just show you what exactly it's doing. So the browser itself, it has opened the Google Classroom, it has logged in, and I mean, I've already logged in using my Google account, so it just goes in and then see it has opened the particular course and it is checking for any assignments that I have to submit. So all by itself, it's going through all the courses which I have and is checking one by one whether I have any assignments to submit. So that was something I missed. We can just ask it to in fact solve this as well. So it's going to help us to solve the assignment. So wait, we have a few of them. Before it finish the tasks, maybe we can ask to help it solve one of them. So I'll just pause this and then I'll ask it, can you solve the Leonard Jones oscillator assignment in a new Google Doc? So what it's going to do is it's going to analyze the assignment and it can open new Google document and write down the entire assignment. Come on, that's literally solving the work we have. So again, I'm not doing anything. So it has opened the assignment and it is trying to get the information. As you can see the progress in the right side bar where the assistant is going through everything. So it has opened the PDF. That's the one which was shared. So it is going through all the information. And maybe it's time to create a new document now. So it's creating a Google document. So it has opened the document and let us see what it's going to write. And by the time this completes this task, I'm going to open another tab and I'll show another use case where you can use this. So I'll say open Amazon and find best chargers for my iPhone under 2000 and add it to the cart. So that's the prompt I gave. So it will open Amazon. And again, I'm not doing anything. So it'll be searching for iPhone chargers under 2000 and then add them to the cart automatically. There you go. That's the power of agentic AI. And that is completely integrated in the entire browser. And not just this, the best part, whenever we have any questions or doubts, We typically take a screenshot and then paste them in ChatGPT or something. And of course, we obviously have some limits, and more than that, we can't do it. But here in Comet, you don't need to do anything like that. You can just open that in your browser, and then automatically the sidebar with the assistant pops up, and you can use it unlimitedly. And wow, our assignment is done, by the way. As you can see, this was all the information which was extracted from the previous. So here it is, which is ready for submission. So in fact, I although have to write it manually, but come on, this has literally solved it. We have all the data, and I can just copy the values. If I have any doubts or questions, I can just ask this. So it's like Google Chrome with Perplexity inbuilt. That's together gives Comet. That's the simple way I can put it. And let us come back to the previous tasks. So it shows, I mean, it's going through all the products and find the best one with the ratings, features, and every single thing. So that's the power of, so that's how it's going to do it. And in fact, it can extract any data if you have, as I said, uploading your images, or maybe more significantly, I would say no more ads when you watch YouTube. And also, it can instantly summarize all the long YouTube videos. You don't need any extra extensions or paid apps to do that. It will do it instantly. And also, any long lectures or theoretical notes which you have, again, I can just go through my Google Classroom. And let's say if I have any material to prepare for my test, I can just ask to open the material and then summarize me a bit. It's going to do that for me very quickly. So it's going to be a very good and useful tool to boost your productivity. And as students, I definitely feel this is something you must try. And here comes the best part. Although it was available only for Perplexity Max users, which was worth more than $2,000, it was given free for students, and now it is completely free for anyone to download. So if you do want to check it out, you can either scan this QR which I'll display, or simply go through the description and you'll find the invite link. Click on that and you'll be redirected to this page. You can click on download Comet. It will be downloaded to your desktop. It's available on both macOS as well as Windows. So you can download it, log in through the same email, and you can start using Comet. And there's bonus tip as well. If you are a student watching this, you can also claim Perplexity Pro subscription for 1 month completely for free. Just use your student email ID and you'll get free access to that. So that's all I can show in this video. There are so many use cases of this, which I'll again make a separate video if possible. But let me know your thoughts in the comments and start using Comet now. Check out the link in the description and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.